In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines in AutoCAD using feet and inches. This is a skill that will be incredibly useful, whether you're working on architectural layouts, interior designs, or any project where precision and clarity are key. All right, let's dive right in. First, we'll want to set up our units correctly. On the command line, you'll want to type units or simply UN if you're in the mood for a shortcut, and then press enter. This command will bring up the Drawing Units window. Here is where you can select the units that best suit your project's needs. Since today we're focusing on feet and inches, you'll want to set the type to engineering. This setup is specifically designed for working in both feet and inches, offering you the precision and structure you require. For the insertion scale, make sure to select inches. Once you've confirmed these settings, click OK. With our units set, let's test it out by drawing a line. I'll demonstrate by creating a line that measures exactly 20 inches. Simply enter 20 as your desired measurement. After drawing this line, you can measure it using the DIST command. Type DIST in the command line and select the start and end points. This measurement will confirm that your line indeed measures 1 foot and 8 inches, as expected, since 12 inches equals 1 foot, and the remaining 8 inches complete the line. Now, let's try entering a distance using both feet and inches to see how AutoCAD handles it. Let's say we want to draw a line with a length of 1 foot and 10 inches. To do this, you would start by entering 1, followed by the feet symbol, which is essentially an apostrophe. Then type in 10 for the inches. There is no need to add a symbol here, just the numeric value is sufficient. Once you have entered that, press enter. To ensure everything is accurate, measure this new line with the DIST command again. Select the line, perform the measurement, and you'll see it displays the correct length, 1 foot and 10 inches. It's as simple as that. This approach lets you work seamlessly with both feet and inches, making sure your designs are precise and according to your specifications. Having the ability to work with feet and inches in AutoCAD efficiently can make a significant difference in your workflow. With a clear understanding of these steps, you're well on your way to mastering the software's functionalities in this regard. So, go ahead and give it a try in your own projects. Thanks for watching, and be sure to stay tuned for more tips and tutorials that will help you get the most out of your AutoCAD experience.